Začetek novega delovnega tedna v pripravah na novo sezono je prinesel tudi nekoliko znosnejše temperature. Dež in nekoliko hladnejše vreme je omogočalo tudi večjo intenziteto, kar bo ekipa skušala izkoristiti v drugem trening kampu v teh pripravah. Tokrat se je odšlo čez mejo v avstrijsko Štajersko, kjer bo ekipa trenirala, se povezovala in spoznavala nove ideje trenerskega tima do petka. Kot rečeno, iz vročega poletja na dež in hladnejše razmere, kar pa nogometašem ustreza.
The weather is perfect for 2 trainings per day. We are preparing for the season, and till now it's everything great, good trainings, and we are better and better. It's nice that we change a little bit the place. It's hard when you are 2 weeks in one place for your head. So it's nice that we change a little bit the place, and now with the new energy we keep working, and also like you said, we have new players, so we need to get each other better. So now it's the best time in the pre-season to know the new players better.
V delovnem tednu, v katerem so na začetku tudi že v polnem treningu nekateri, ki so manjkali čez vikend, se bo torej dodatno pilila forma za začetek sezone.
Everything is new, they have new ideas, but all the coaches are very professional. So we are trying to take everything what they say and to be every day better. So it's interesting, and of course we need time to adapt, but I think it's really good and really good next step for us.
Ob povratku domov konec tedna iz Avstrije pa sledita še 2 zadnja testna obračuna pred prvo tekmo sezone v prvi ligi Telemach. Prihodnjo soboto bosta na sporedu pripravljalni preizkušnji proti U21 ekipi Hull Cityja in bolgarskem CSKA 1948.